So of course, for temperature transmitters and low demand devices, we're seeing 5-6 years. For our devices with detection, we're seeing an average on 2 years on the GSO1 and a little bit more on the new toxic device that's available. So it's ranging on the communication, but definitely for the detection equipment, it's visiting it as little as possible and keeping it easy to maintain. So we see normally the constraint is with the end user guidelines. So different countries, different companies will have guidelines for when you need to go and visit devices. Our hydrocarbon device is calibrated for life. So within the constraints of a seal2 loop, usually we can get away with one bump test every 2 years when you change the battery. And for our electrochemical devices, we've seen that people are asking for longer battery life because some of the competition can have more than 2.5 years of battery life. But there's on an electrochemical sensor, you need to consider in calibration and lifetime of the sensor, which usually is more expensive than the battery. So we are seeing an average of 5-year life on our sensor and over 2-year life on our battery. And this will also need to be taken into your calculations for uptime. But in general, 2 years is the average for our equipment, and then it varies on your demand of response times.